Every great creator starts from the same place, a feeling. Whether you are teaching on YouTube, whether you are documenting your life in a vlog, or whether you're writing a song in your bedroom, every great story follows an emotional arc. If you have ever struggled to figure out how to tell your story your way, today I am breaking down a universal storytelling script that works whether you're explaining, expressing, or entertaining. Hi, I'm Daryn. I've worked with creators across YouTube, TV, and brand storytelling, from educators to vloggers to artists to media companies. And no matter the niche, one truth always wins. Connection comes from story and character. This is why I teach creators to think like a showrunner instead of thinking like an influencer, because a showrunner thinks about the entire experience, whereas an influencer tends to think about ranking each video separately. It's about shifting your thinking to thinking like the founder of a media brand, now that YouTube is about content that works for every device. Now, a lot of creators are worried how this shift to TV screens is going to affect the authenticity on this platform, but that thing that keeps you up at night, that wakes you up with a new idea, that spark that lights up your brain, that pull to express something, that is where every story begins. Whether you are you, or you're Shonda Rhimes, or you're Taylor Swift. You already have everything you need to tell powerful stories for every screen. You just haven't learned how to shape it. Structure is not the enemy of authenticity, it is the amplifier. So without further ado, I'm breaking down a universal storytelling script that works here on YouTube, whether you are an artist, a vlogger, or an educational creator, and whether you're on a mobile device or a TV screen. And that is a big promise, but I stand by it because it starts from that feeling. Okay, if you know my 4H formula for value-based videos, you know that script structure has 4 parts: hook, heart, help, hero. The universal story script formula has 7 parts, but don't be scared, it is not that hard. In this type of video, we're building moments. The first part is to hook the heart. With a value-based video, you are hooking the brain, but with a personal storytelling video, you are hooking the heart. The best way to start your story isn't with what happened, it's with how it felt. Before you tell me what happened, tell me how it felt, because that is what creates empathy and stakes. For example, if I am an info-based creator, maybe I start with, I used to wake up and check my analytics before I even got out of bed. Or if you're struggling with perfectionism, I am too. For a mindset coach, for years, I thought rest was lazy until burnout forced me to rethink everything I believed about productivity. If I'm an entertainment-based creator, maybe it's something like, I started writing this song in the middle of the night because I couldn't sleep. Start at the emotional peak. Then comes the spark. This is the inciting incident. It's the moment that flipped your world just enough to make you see differently. It's the moment you realized that something had to change. For example, maybe it's realizing no one connected to your content until you shared what scared you. For an artist, maybe it's that one unexpected comment that made you think or rethink your entire album. For a cooking creator, it started the night that I burned dinner for the 3rd time and we ordered takeout again, and my daughter looked at me and said, "Can we learn to cook?" The spark is the inciting incident that disrupts your normal. It's not necessarily about the biggest event. It is about the trigger that changed your direction. That spark is what turns your story from a memory into a message. The next part is the belief tension. This is the before and after of your story, the belief that you used to hold and what you now know. What did you believe before and what do you believe now? It's not about teaching your audience a lesson, it's about letting them see you grow. For a cooking creator, I thought cooking was about recipes. For a fitness creator, I thought progress meant going hard every single day. I thought a song had to be perfect. This is where you connect your story to the belief shift your viewer needs the most. The next part is to drop into the moment. Here's where most creators stop short. You tell us the story, but you don't show it. Drop us into the scene. Give one sensory detail or a line of dialogue that brings it to life. Maybe it's, I was sitting in my car outside of a grocery store recording a voice memo because I did not know what else to do. Or the paint was still wet when I realized this was the piece I've been trying to make all along. For a cooking creator, it could be something like, I remember the smell of garlic hitting the pan and realizing this was the first time I actually slowed down all week. For a mindset coach, I was sitting on my floor, surrounded by notebooks and to-do lists, and it hit me. I was working so hard to prove something I didn't even believe anymore. Add one sensory detail or sound to transport your viewer into the moment. Then we get into the shift. This is where you deliver your insight, your aha moment, the truth that clicked into place, the insight your viewer is waiting for. For educational or info-based creators, maybe it's, that's when I realized people don't watch you for information, they watch you for transformation. For vloggers, it could be something like, that's when I stopped trying to make life look interesting and I just started to make it feel true. For a fitness creator, that's when I stopped chasing the after photo and I started chasing the feeling of strength. For artists, that is when I understood if I keep waiting to be ready, I'm never going to release anything. It is that one sentence that changes everything. Make your insights simple enough to stick, something that your viewer could quote back to you. Then we get into the transformation. This is where you reveal the new you. You are not the same person you were when the story began, and neither is your audience. Every great story ends with an identity shift. Who are you now on the other side of that shift? For an educator, it might be, now I help creators tell their stories with confidence. For musicians, now I release music that sounds like the inside of my head, not what the charts say. For a cooking creator, now I teach people how to make cooking joyful again, even on busy nights. This is your leading character moment. You reveal what your brand or channel stands for. And finally, every story needs an invitation, because storytelling is not a monologue on YouTube, it is a two-person conversation. This is where you hand the emotion back to your audience. Your viewer is the hero, and you are their guide. In a personal storytelling video like this, your story is not just about selling a product or a service or music or your Patreon, it's about connection. So ask them something that keeps the story going. Have you ever had a moment like that? What is the shift that you're in right now? Connection is the actual CTA. So whether you teach, vlog, or create, story is what makes your work unforgettable. Because story isn't about what you do, it's about who you become. And if you want an all-in-one storytelling toolkit, I got you covered. You can grab my leading character story toolkit and I'll put the link in my description. Or you can join my community on the school platform. Until next time, keep creating and keep thinking like a showrunner.